Ciao, my beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate average, for instance, of area. It can be average of a certain arithmetic. So for my case, I'm showing you how to calculate average. For my case, I'll open the attribute table here. I have this column called area. So I want to calculate the average, like mean, using QGIS in a simple way. So what you're required to do, actually make sure your data, which is vector data which I'm using, is in projection. So in my case, it's in 36,000 projection, so that I can calculate those geometry. And that means on the earth surface by projecting from the spherical to the flat surface using UTM projection. So I've already done that. So now I'm showing you how to calculate mean. So straight thing first, you can just go to the attribute table. I think it's easier to work from there. Then I go to this select features using expression. So it will give me an expression. So what I'm going to do here, because it's average, you need to search mean. You see here. So what it does, it returns the aggregate mean value from the feeder expression. So you can double click here, or you can just write it here. So for my case, I'll prefer to double click this one. Then it gives you a bracket. That means it shows the expression. That means after having one bracket, you need to choose which field you want to calculate mean. For my case, it's this area in hectares. So I'll just expand this one, area in hectares, by double clicking, then close the bracket. Voila, just like that. I have the mean here, 1.213. So you can always try to cross check. So let us see. I'm selecting it, and I'm putting this data in Excel and see what you get. Okay, yes. So I'm preparing the file so that you can see if we get the same mean. Let me see if there's any blank row. Okay, I have to delete these blank rows here. Okay, patient rows. Any other? Okay, there's few. I could have just gone to a simple command. Almost it's there. So let me see if we can go. Okay, voila. So from here we calculate average from Excel. We want to proofread this. So by clicking average, by clicking enter, it is 1.213608. You can bold it and see and compare with what our beautiful QGIS has calculated. Okay, then let us open our QGIS we calculated before. Here I see 1.3160. Okay, because I have just, so it's the same. You see, you can increase the values. You see, oh, it's so interesting. So using a simple expression, I've shown you how to calculate mean or average in QGIS. Make sure to subscribe for more videos so that I can bring you more beautiful and interesting content. Vamos!